All right, I know you're getting really, really hungry from seeing all this cooking and all these different recipes. Our last but not least is our spinach and artichoke taquitos. Or you can make them as a quesadilla if you'd like, instead of rolling them up like a taquito. Now, this calls for artichokes, but I'm not a big fan of artichokes, and I know sometimes at home we all tend to make things the way we like it. So I'm going to make mine with just the spinach, which I already have here in the bowl. So our ingredients today are spinach, which you can find in the freezer section. You're going to want to thaw that out and squeeze out a lot of the juice. We're going to need some Parmesan cheese, or you can use shredded if you like shredded better than the grated. You're going to need some mayonnaise, some mozzarella cheese, garlic powder, and tortillas. So you can use your favorite kind of tortillas or whatever kind you would like. All right, so first we have our 10-ounce package of the chopped spinach. That's going to go in your bowl after it's thawed and drained and the water squished out. Then we need 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to measure that out here. I don't have a 3/4 cup with me. I have my one cup. So we're going to fill this about 3/4 of the way full, which is about the equivalent of this little container here. And if you have a little extra, that's okay too. Next, we need our 1 cup of shredded cheese. I want to do that before I put my mayonnaise in my measuring cup. So I'm going to do 1 cup of my cheese. Got a little extra. I like cheese, so if you like a little extra cheese, go ahead and put more cheese in. All right, now next we are going to need 3/4 of a cup of our mayonnaise. So I'm going to measure that out. And if you want to add a little less mayonnaise, I think that'd be okay too. It's just up to you however much you like. And then we need 1/2 teaspoon of the garlic powder. Then we're going to mix this all together. Mix and mix and mix until it's all together. All right, so I got that pretty much together. Then I'm going to get out my tortillas. I'm going to show you, we're going to take some of that mixture and we're going to put it in the middle. We're going to make this, roll this up like a little taquito. You can have smaller tortillas if you'd like, but you can roll it up as tight, a little tighter than I did here. And you're going to bake these, if you want them in the rolled form, at 425 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. But I'm going to make mine a little bit different. I'm going to make mine and fold it in half, and I'm going to cook it in my waffle iron here. So just a couple tablespoons is all you need. Might try a little bit more there. I'm going to spread that out. And I'm going to fold mine in half, and I'm going to put it in my waffle iron. Now it's going to cook a little bit faster in the waffle iron than it would in the oven. So we're going to give it a few seconds to warm through here. I hope you have a favorite recipe and you comment on it and let us know what you liked, maybe what you didn't like, maybe something you might like to try if we do another class like this again. It's been a lot of fun putting this together, and I love to cook. So I hope that you learn to be a little scientist, mix and measure, and try things out and see how they go, how it turns out. That's what cooking's really all about. It's almost ready. You can hear it sizzling away. And hopefully you gained a lot of new ideas for different snacks at home. I know I kind of get burnt out on the same snacks all the time. Some of these you can eat as a meal. Some you can eat just as a snack in itself. And if you would like the recipes, we can share our recipes with you. I found a lot of these online on like Pinterest is one of my favorite go-tos to look for recipes and to try new things out. All right, I'm going to check on our taquito here, or my makeshift taquito. That's all set. And there you have it. You can cut them. And cut mine up just a little bit. Ta-da! So that's up to you how you would like to make it rolled up or as a quesadilla. I just wanted to do mine a little different. So I hope you enjoyed.